Second one, using someone else's work in incorrect form and intended originally by the creator. So which means that if you take any others work, then you can write it is wrongly, which means that for example, if you take one equations like f is equal to ma, so you are written like that f is equal to m square into a, so it is wrong only. Then you can also give the citation, so which means that you in bracket you write that this equation is done by that correct owner. So this is also plagiarism. So then next one, modifying someone's production such as music composition etc without without attributing it to the creator of the work, which means that if you want to change, if you going to change any portion of any music work or any music composition, that is also considered as plagiarism. So these are the main, so here 5 different points that is leads to plagiarism is there. Then plagiarism, so plagiarism it is how not plagiarism. Second one, how not plagiarism, so how to avoid the plagiarism. So how to avoid the plagiarism means, so you must give the credit whenever you use. So for example, if you use other person's idea, opinion or theory, you must give the credit to that real owner. Or next one, quotation of another person actual spoken or written words, which means that if you are using any Mahatma Gandhi words or Abdul Kalam, Dr. Abdul Kalam's words, you give that you should put inside the quotation and you can write in bracket it is done by that particular person. Then paraphrase of another person spoken or in written words. So in 3 cases you must give the credit to the real owner to avoid the plagiarism. So this is main concept of plagiarism and how not to be plagiarism and what are the different concept of plagiarism. So plagiarism is one of the criminal case of also. So for example, if the plagiarism involving copying not only ideas or it is containing for example, if you take any copyrighted data, so it is also a plagiarism. So it is a criminal, it is a civil case only, civil and criminal case only. So here both the civil and the criminal charges is punishable offense and the amount of fines and penalties. So this is you take it seriously if the real owner make any complaint. So this is a both civil and criminal cases. So this is a plagiarism is an offense only. So now today we are study the 3 ethical, not only 2 ethical conditions, ethical issues we study. Tomorrow we can study that digital property rights because it is too low. So today we study intellectual property rights and plagiarism. Intellectual property right we study, then we study plagiarism and this different concept. So hope you understand this class.